Hey guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to show you one of my daughter's favorite things that she has in her playroom. It is her Barbie Dreamhouse. So this is really cool. I have to show you all the awesome things that this has. So it does have her favorite feature, a pool. So it has a slide that goes right into the pool, which is pretty cool. It does have a elevator, which is wheelchair friendly as well, if you have a Barbie that has that. Also, it has a beautiful bedroom, another room too. It's like an office. But it can turn into a bedroom because the couch turns into a bunk bed. Believe it or not, you have a bathroom, your toilet flushes, it makes noises. The kitchen, you have a fridge, a stove, your stove makes noises. So it's like you're cooking. It's pretty cool. It has a backyard as well. So a lot of the appliances have back stickers so that it looks like you have a beautiful patio with different things. So you can have a patio party. I have this barbecue as well, so we made it a section where she has her back porch. It's cool. You have a table as well that they can sit at. You can put it either in the kitchen, outside on their back patio. You can make this however you want. It is so fun. It comes with so many different things, so you're able to have a lot of Barbies, Ken dolls, to be able to play in this, which is one thing that my daughter loves, and that's just my point of view.